Okay, very good morning, one and all. In previous class, I started synopsis of matrices chapter as well as we discussed two problems also. Now I'll continue the next questions. Okay. Now the question number is, students, one more thing. The question numbers is not in order wise because between determinants problems are there. That's why the question numbers are like jumble 1, 3, 7. It will come like that. Okay, don't confuse because this chapter matrices objective only I am teaching. Determinants question I will teach later after completion of the PU portion of determinants. Okay, now we'll discuss the question number 6. In question number 6, the matrix A is equal to cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. This is a given matrix. We need to find A into A dash. Simple question. A matrix is given. We need to find A into A dash. Okay. First, A matrix is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta into A dash. What is A dash? Yesterday in synopsis I explained A dash is nothing but A transpose. How you will get transpose? Interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows. That is called transpose. Okay. Here, what is the first row? This is the first row. Cos theta, sin theta. That row can be interchanged to column. What is the second row? Minus sin theta, cos theta. It will be changed to the column. This is called A transpose. So this multiplication we require. Then A into A dash is equal to, you know how to multiply two matrices. In first matrix you need to take row, second matrix you need to take column. Okay? Cos into cos. Cos square plus sin into sin. Sin square. Same row but column is second. Cos theta into minus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Next, which row? Second row, first column. Minus sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Second row, second column. Minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Minus into minus plus. Okay. Sin into sin, sin square. Plus cos into cos, cos square theta. Now these two gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. In first year trigonometry, we know the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then A into A dash is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1, 0, 0, 1. Then A into A dash is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 is nothing but which matrix? Identity matrix. So finally what we got? A into A dash is equal to I. That is the answer. Therefore the final answer is identity matrix. Okay. Next we will discuss the question number 8. See, in question number 8, what is given? A and B are symmetric matrices. A, B, both are symmetric. This is condition. Now, which of the following is not true? Okay. given condition is A and B are symmetric matrices. Which of the following is not true? Okay. What is a condition for symmetric matrix? In yesterday class I explained symmetric matrix definition is A dash is equal to A. Similarly, B dash is equal to B. Okay, this is the definition for symmetric matrix. Now we need to find which of the following is not true. I'll go with first option. First option is what given? AB minus BA is symmetric. AB minus BA is symmetric. We need to verify this is right or wrong. Okay. What is symmetric condition? I am finding the value AB minus BA whole dash. AB minus BA whole dash. AB minus BA whole dash can be written as AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. What is the formula for AB whole dash? B dash into A dash. What is the formula for AB whole dash? B dash. First you need to take the second matrix, later first matrix. B dash into A dash. Similarly, what is the formula for BA whole dash? A dash into B dash. Already we know A dash is nothing but A, B dash is nothing but B. Substitute the two conditions here. Then what will get? BA minus A. In this, if you take minus common, then what will get? AB minus B. Then finally what you got? AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus of AB minus BA. Here minus is there, that's why it is not symmetric, it is skew symmetric. Therefore, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Why? Because negative value will be there. But in question, what he mentioned, AB minus BA is symmetric. But what we got? AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Therefore, first option is not true. Because in this question, we need to find which of the following is not true. First option is not true. Okay, that is 8th question. Next, we will discuss the question number 14. We will discuss the question number 14. See the question number 14. A and B are square matrices of same order. A and B are square matrices of same order. And the given condition A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This is a condition given. In question, they mention A and B are square matrices and A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Then which of the following is true? Okay, which of the following is true? That is a question. Okay, I will simplify this. A square minus B square is equal to, I will multiply these two, A plus B and A minus B. A into A square, A into minus B minus AB, B into A, BA, B into B, B square. Okay, now A square gets cancelled, B square gets cancelled. Then what is remaining? 0 is equal to minus AB plus BA. This minus AB come to this side, it becomes plus AB. Therefore, the answer is AB is equal to BA. This is the condition we got for this question number 14. That is nothing but third option. Okay. Next, we'll discuss the question number 18. What is the question number 18? In question number 18, the matrix is given 2, 3, 5 minus 1 is equal to A plus B. 2, 3, 5 minus 1 is equal to A plus B. And A is symmetric, B is skew symmetric. A is symmetric, B is skew symmetric. These two conditions here. Then we need to find the matrix B. That is the question. Listen once again. One condition is given and A is symmetric, B is skew symmetric. Then we need to find the value B. B matrix we need to find. Yesterday in synopsis I explained one concept. A square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, but here A is what? Symmetric. B is what? Skew symmetric. Okay, now in the question they asked to find B. That's why I am taking B is equal to 1 by 2 into P plus P dash. What is P? This matrix. Actually we need to take A, but A, B is already used. That's why I gave one more name, that is P. This P plus P dash is symmetric. P minus P dash is skew symmetric. Yesterday in synopsis I explained. Once again listen. A square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix is half into A plus A dash. Skew symmetric is half into A minus A dash. In place of A, here I am taking P. We required B. B is what? Skew symmetric. That's why B is nothing but 1 by 2 into P minus P dash. Okay. Then B is equal to 1 by 2 into P matrix is what? 2, 3, 5 minus 1 minus P dash. P dash means transpose. How you will get transpose? Rows can be interchanged into columns. Okay. What is the first row? 2, 3 that can be interchanged into the column. What is the second row? 5 minus 1 that can be interchanged into the column. Okay. Then B is equal to 1 by 2 into, subtract this, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Each and every element in the matrix is divided by 2. Okay. Then what will get? B is equal to 0 by anything, 0. Minus 2 by 2, minus 1. 2 by 2, 1. 0 by anything, 0. Then finally we got the matrix B is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. That is the answer. That is nothing but fourth option is the correct answer for this question number 18. Dear students, I am recording this video in Teachmeet. So I will send this video in your group tomorrow. So those students who are unable to watch, if you are having network issue, you can watch that video. I will share the video in tomorrow. Okay? Right. Next question. That is 19th question. This question is asked in KSET 2014. Listen, what is the question given? A is 3 by 4 matrix. A is 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix is nothing but 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, that is A matrix. And B matrix is given, we don't know the order, that's why I am taking the B matrix order is some m by n. We don't know the order of B, that is m by n, such that A dash B, BA dash both are defined. Okay, now A matrix order is 3 by 4, then A dash matrix order is 4 by 3. And B matrix will be m by n. A matrix order 3 by 4 means its transpose order will be 4 by 3. That's why, one second. Okay. Now, A matrix order is given, that is 3 by 4. Then A dash matrix order is nothing but 4 by 3. So, why? Because a rows can be interchanged to the column, a column can be interchanged to the row. That's why that is 3 by 4, this is 4 by 3. In question, they mention A dash B is defined. In question, they mention A dash B is defined. When matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix, both are equal, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Students, once again listen. When matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix, both are equal, then only matrix multiplication is possible. According to that concept, this m is equal to 3. We got one value. Next, we need to find n value. In question, they mention A dash B is defined, BA dash is defined. B is m into n, A dash is 4 into 3. Now, BA dash is defined. Same concept. When matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix, the number of rows in the second matrix, both are equal. That is nothing but n value is equal to 4. Then finally we got m and n. Therefore, the B matrix order is m by n, that is nothing but 3 by 4. This is the answer for this question. This model is very, very important. This model question asked 2-3 times in KCET. Okay, so the final answer is 3 by 4. That is nothing but second option. Now we will discuss the question number 20. Okay, observe. What is question number 20? A matrix is given. A matrix is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 7. This is the matrix A. We need to find symmetric part. Already we discussed what is symmetric part. Half into A plus A dash. What is skew symmetric part? Half into A minus A dash. In this question, they asked the symmetric part. Symmetric part is nothing but 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. Okay. Now, we see the question. Symmetric part. Then symmetric part is nothing but 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. This is symmetric part. Okay. That equals to 1 by 2 into A matrix is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 7. Plus A dash. How to find transpose? Rows can be interchanged into columns. What is the first row? 1, 2, 4. This can be written as column. Second row, 6, 8, 2. It can be taken as column. What is third row? 2 minus 2, 7. It can be taken as column. Now simplify. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 plus 4, 6. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 7 plus 7, 14. If you divide each and every value with 2, then answer will be 2 by 2, 1, 8 by 2, 4, 6 by 2, 3, 8 by 2, 4, 16 by 2, 8, 0 by anything 0, 6 by 2, 3, 0 by anything 0, 14 by 2, 7. Therefore, the final answer is 1, 4, 3, 4, 8, 0, 3, 0, 7. That is the symmetric part of this question number 20. That is nothing but fourth option is the correct answer. Okay, next. 27th question. Because the between questions are determinants question, that's why I am not explaining. 27 is very easy question. A equals to the given 0, 1, 1, 0. A equals to 0, 1, 1, 0. We need to find the value A square. A square can be written as A into A. A means what? 0, 1, 1, 0. Into same 0, 1, 1, 0. We know how to multiply two matrices, row and column. Okay. Then A square equals to, here you take first row, here you take first column. 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. First row, second column. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Next, second row, first column. 1 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 1, 0. Second row, second column. 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0. Therefore, the final answer A square equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. That is nothing but A square equals to I, because 1, 0, 0, 1 is which matrix? Identity matrix. Therefore, answer for this question will be I. That is 27 question 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Next, we will discuss the question number 31. This 31st question is asked in KSET 2017. It is also important question. Let us see what is the 31st question. A equals to cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This is the matrix A, and one more condition is given. A plus A dash, A plus A dash, that is equal to I. A plus A dash is equals to I. Then we need to find theta. Okay, very easy question. A plus A dash is equal to I. First, A matrix already we know. Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta plus A dash. What is A dash? Transpose. A row can be interchanged to the column. What is the first row? Cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. It can be taken as first column. What is the second row? Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. It can be taken as the second column. That equals to I. Now simplify. Cos plus cos, 2 cos. Minus sin plus sin cancel, 0 will be there. Okay. Again, sin and minus sin cancel, 0 will be there. Cos plus cos, 2 cos is equal to I. I means identity matrix 1, 0, 0. Now you equate these two matrices. In place of 2 cos 2 theta, what is the value? 1 will be there. Then 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. If 2 cos 2 theta equals to 1, from this we can write cos 2 theta is 1 by 2. Okay, when cos value will be 1 by 2, cos 60, correct? Then 2 theta is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees I can convert into radians, that is pi by 3. Then theta value will be pi by 6. This is the answer for this question number 31. Theta is equal to pi by 6. That is nothing but third option is the correct answer for this question number 31. Next we will discuss question number 35. This question also very important. It is asked in case of 2016. Okay, what is the 35 question? A equals to 1 by pi into sin inverse pi x tan inverse x by pi sin inverse x by pi cos inverse pi x. B equals to, that is second matrix, 1 by pi minus cos inverse pi x next tan inverse x by pi sin inverse x by pi and fourth one, in your book they given tan inverse, that is not tan inverse, small correction, that is sin inverse minus sin inverse pi x. In textbook, in this material they given tan inverse, that is not tan inverse, that is sin inverse. So these are the two matrices. We need to find A minus B. Okay, so here 1 by pi is there, here 1 by pi is there, that's why we can take 1 by pi as common. Okay, here what is the first term? Sin inverse pi x minus of this minus plus cos inverse pi x. What is the second term here? Tan inverse x by pi. There also tan inverse x by pi. Both gets cancelled. Then 0 will get. What is the third term? Sin inverse x by pi. What is the third term here? Sin inverse x by pi. Both gets cancelled. Then its value will be 0. Then what is the fourth term? Cos inverse pi x. Minus of this minus plus sin inverse pi x. Okay, but in second PUC we have one chapter, that is inverse trigonometry. This inverse trigonometry we have one formula. That formula we need to use. That chapter is not completed. That's why I am writing the formula. Listen. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, this value will be equals to pi by 2. This is very important formula in inverse trigonometry. This chapter is not completed. Listen, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that value is pi by 2. Here 2x means 2x, 3x means 3x, pi x means pi x. Okay, both angles should be same. Here see, angle pi x. Here also angle pi x. Angle pi x. Here also pi x. According to that formula, the answer will be equal to what? Pi by 2. Now, A minus B is equal to 1 by pi into pi by 2, 0, 0, pi by. Divide each and every term with pi. Then pi gets cancelled. Then what will get? A minus b equals to 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by 2. Because pi and pi gets cancelled. Can I take 1 by 2 common? Okay. Now a minus b is equal to, if you take 1 by 2 common, then 1, 0, 0, 1. But 1, 0, 0, 1 is which matrix? Identity matrix. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 into I. This is the final answer for this question number 35. That is nothing but second option is the correct answer for this question number 35. Okay. Actually, in matrices, we have less number of questions compared to determinants. Determinants having majority objective questions compared to the matrices. Okay. Now, listen. Next question, question number 36. In question number 36, they given a equals to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Then we need to find a square minus 5a. So in this question, a matrix is given, we need to find a square minus 5a. So first I am finding a square. How to find a square? A into a. That is nothing but 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Both are same matrices. Okay? Then a square equals to, how to multiply row into column? First row, first column. 3, 3 jars, 9. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next, first row, second column. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. Next, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 2, 2 just 2. Then a square equals to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. So finally, we got a square. But in question, we need to find a square minus 5a. A square minus 5a we need to find. A square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Minus 5a. What is meant by 5a? A matrix is multiplied by a number 5. Okay? Then 5 3 jars 15. 5 1 jars 5. 5 minus 1 jars minus 5. 5 2 jars 10. Now subtract. A square minus 5a is equal to 8 minus 15 minus 7. 5 minus 5 0. Minus 5 minus of minus plus 5 cancel 0. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. I will take minus 7 common. Then what is remaining? 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1 is identity matrix. Therefore, the final answer is minus 7i is the answer for the question number 36. Okay. Next. 37. Already this model question we discussed. Okay, listen. In 37th question, what is given? A matrix order is m by n. A matrix order is m by n. B matrix order we don't know, that's why I am taking P by Q. A matrix order is given already, that is m by n. B matrix is not given, that is P by Q. Already this model question we discussed. And both AB dash and BA dash, AB dash and B dash A both are defined. Okay. Now AB dash. A matrix is m by n. B dash is nothing but Q by P. In question they mention AB dash is defined. When matrix multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix both are equal. What is number of columns? N. What is number of rows? Q. Then we will get Q value is nothing but N. Next, one more is given. B dash A. First B dash. B dash is nothing but Q by P. A is nothing but m by n. In question they mention B dash A is defined. Same concept. The number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix both are equal. Then P is equal to m. Then finally we got P value and Q value. Therefore, the order of the matrix B is added by to P by Q, that is nothing but m by n. That is the answer for the question number 37. Okay. Next, we will discuss 42 question. 42 question is also asked in case of 2007. A matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. First I am taking A is symmetric. What is condition for symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to A. Next, it is skew symmetric also. A is skew symmetric. What is skew symmetric condition? A dash is equal to minus A. Now adding this 1 and 2. A dash plus A dash, 2A dash. A and A gets cancelled, 0. Then A dash is 0. Then A also 0. 0 means not a value. 0 is nothing but null matrix or 0 matrix. So a matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric, that matrix is must and should. Which matrix? Null matrix. Therefore, answer is null matrix, or you can say 0 matrix. That's why option 2 is the correct answer for this question number 42. Next, we will discuss question number 43. A equals to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 and A power n is equal to 2 power k into A. A power n is equal to 2 power k into A. Then we need to find k value. We need to find k value. It is also important question. In case of 2018, this question asked. Okay. A power n. We can't find A power n directly. According to the principle of mathematical induction in first year concept, first you can find A square. Later you can find A cube. From that we can guess A power n. Okay. So first I am finding A square. That is nothing but A into A. A matrix is 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. First I am finding A square. Okay. 2 2 just 4 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Next, first row, second column. 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Second row, first column. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Second row, second column. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 2 2 just 4. Then a square equals to 8, minus 8, minus 8, 8. We got. This is the value of a square. In this I can take 4 column. 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 is nothing but which matrix? A matrix. That is nothing but 4A. Finally we got A square is equal to 4A. Don't decide based on single value. We'll find A cube also. Okay? A cube. That is A square into A. A square how much? 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. A is what? 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. Again apply the matrix multiplication concept. Then A cube is equal to 8 2 just 16 plus 8 2 just 16. 8 into minus 2 minus 16 minus into 8 minus 16. Minus 8 into 2 minus 16 and minus 16. Minus into minus plus 16 plus 16. We get 32 minus 32 minus 32 32. I'll take 16 common in this. Then what is remaining? 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. That is nothing but A. Then A cube is equal to 16A. So finally we got two values. One is A square, next one is A cube. A square is how much? 4A. Okay, this 4A I can write 2 square into A. 2 square into A. This 16A can be written as 2 power 4 into A. Okay, A square is nothing but 2 square into A. And A cube can be written as 2 power 4 into A. It can be written as 2 power 2 into 2 minus 1A. 2 power 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 into 2 minus 1 is nothing but 2 1 just 2 only. Similarly 2 power 4 I can write 2 power 3 into 2 into 3 minus 1. Is it correct? Check it. 2 into 3 minus 1 means 2 2 just 4. Finally what we observe? First we got 2 into 2 minus 1. Next 2 into 3 minus 1. Next 2 into 4 minus 1. 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 into 6 minus 1. Finally what will get? 2 into n minus 1 will get. Therefore, if you apply this process continuously, then a power n will get 2 power 2 into n minus 1a. Now compare this 2 power k and 2 power this. In place of k, what we have? 2 into n minus 1. Therefore, k value is equal to 2 into n minus 1. 2 into n minus 1 is nothing but fourth option is the correct answer for this question. So these are the matrices objective questions. We will continue in the next class. Okay, I will share this recorded video tomorrow. Those who are unable to watch, any board is not visible and voice is not clear, you can utilize that video. It is helpful for that. Okay, thank you one and all. We will continue in the next session. And one more thing, you please unmute. Anyone respond how the video is there? Anybody, one student?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, Abhishek.
It was clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
How is the today class? Akshita? Akshita,
Sir,
please
it was
unmute.
clear.
It was
Yes,
clear,
sir, it
sir.
was clear.
What is the problem? Yesterday I took class in college. College network is not there. Today I took in my home. So can I take like this only?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And one more thing, and your network also should be perfect. Then only you will get a clear audio and video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. I'll close the session. We will continue in the tomorrow class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.